Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this till this video we have completed all the components validation of our sign-up screen. So now we will see a complete walkthrough through all the components to see that what we have achieved till this point. So for that we go to our sign up and sign up UI state, and in that here we set the view state to the initial component, which is the full name container, and run the app. Okay, so at this so our app is up and running, and on the first component, which is full name container, if we tap on next, then we see error messages below these two text fields that user have to provide the input for these fields. So we will add first name Rashid and last name. Tap on next, and here we have email container. Tapping on next, it's validating the email and showing error below this. If I type the email address at test@gmail and tap on next again we are seeing the error message. Now press entering .com, and now our email is valid. So after tapping on this one, we see the verification code text field, and here if we add verification code 123, tap on next, we are seeing this error, and for testing purpose we set the test verification code to 1234. So if we tap 1 2 3 and 4 here, tap on next, then we see the next component, which is the password container, and now we will tap on next again. Then we see that the first error message that please enter strong password. So test 1 2 3, and one special character is still missing, so we use number sign here, and an uppercase alphabet A. Then this password is fulfilling all the password strength parameters. So now if we tap on next again, then we haven't entered the re-enter password again in the re-enter password field, so we will add it again here, number sign A, and tap on next. Then we navigate to this address container, where we provide city, country, and address. So these two, city and country, are mandatory field. By tapping on next, we see error below these text fields, so we enter the city and country and address as well, and tap on next. Then we will see the last container of this flow, which is the success container, that account have been successfully created. So this is the complete flow of our sign up screen. So in the next videos we will further optimize this for from different aspects. Let's say if the number of lines grows in our view model, then how we can split that in different classes to avoid lengthy classes. So this is it for today's video. I hope this would be meaningful information for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.